evening, and I'm Tyger Phildrum, and tonight we're going to be exploring the vast wilderness of the Australian outback, filled with vegetation such as this wild animal. By golly! A ripe avocado tree, the tallest of the gang, and as you can see, these are extremely if we just pat it down, it might heal over time in the ground. God, this is my associate. What is your name?
I'm hi, Nicholas Puritan from the Puritan family. We grew straight.
Shut it.
My wife left me 4 days ago.
Oh, planet Earth! I like it a lot. I think that's a wild dingo.
We're in eastern Massachusetts.
We have to harvest the meat of the tree, otherwise known as its bark.
Excuse me, we're not actually in the woods. We're in a white suburban little neighborhood right now. It's actually quite...
I'm running the show, damn it. So, tonight, we're exploring the wild suburban neighborhood. It is approximately late. Why are we out here, you might be asking me? Well, you know what? I have a beloved love for wild nature. I like it a lot. A fresh spring. This is clear drinking water. Oh my god! That smells horrid. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah, that's animal defecation and other fluids.
Yeah, it's brown.
Oh my god! That's a good plop. This is a wild Casperus leaf, ripe for the plucking at this time. If you actually open them up, they have corn in them. I like it a lot. Ron, the way I like to run the show is more of a Q&A, kind of. Mainly just you asking the questions. No, I said only Ron. Think with your brain, stupid.
So one of the questions is, what do I do if I'm going camping? I'm a little bit scared of having to use the bathroom.
Using the bathroom while camping? Great question, whoever asked it.
Me.
So, tonight I've actually prepared for this. Taking a plop in the woods.
Isn't this someone's driveway?
Say that you have an extra pair of socks that you don't need anymore. Find a nice place to squat down. And then when you have your pants down, just open up the sock. Plop, 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 into the socky. Might fit 2 or 3 in there, depending on what style of poo-poo you're doing. Get under my legs and be the sock.
Pardon?
Plop, plop, plop.
What?
You know what this is? Wild mango. Oh my god!
Sir.
Oh, I just cut my damn finger off!
Sir, we get the most views when you're in pain. Really milk that shit, like act like you're about to die.
Yeah, that should be good clickbait.
We're really going for the views. We're gonna see how badly it hurts to get impaled by a stick in the wilderness. Are you ready for this, guys? For the views. God bless me. 3.
Sir,
2.
before you do that, we actually have no medical experience.
It makes it more organic.
Yeah, but you might die. Actually, never mind. Continue.
Alright, go.
3, 2, 1.
Sir, do you need Any medical?
Just continue filming, okay? I'm doing the most painful of challenges. Cutting me bloody wankruff. Just don't film below me waist. Get
Wait,
up.
we need to get it in the shot, though.
What, my bloody wanker?
He's insecure about his size.
I'll do the speaking, stupid. It's a bit droopy at the moment.
Oh,
So, okay, hold the tip.
Sir, I don't feel like that's a
Hold the tip. Hold it. Okay, you got it?
Sir, oh my god. Sir, are you hard?
Well, I might be a little bit now.
Ah.
Right. Here goes nothing.
Sir,
On the count of one,
Sir.
I'm gonna chop me ding dong off.
It's
Ready
slipping.
to witness? 3, 2, 1. Zooey mama, mate!
Sir, let me help to get you to the hospital.
Don't touch my stump!
Sir, but
not you! Only Ron!
Sir,
No, I don't.
sir, we really need to get you medical attention. This is not okay. Cameras, cut the cameras, cut the... Alright, what the we have to pick him up. We have to pick him up by...
It just drags.
Just-
Pick him up by the stump.
Just...
Yeah,
is
that
we need
position is
to
good.
just
That's a
grab him
good
by
position.
his- I'm gonna thrust the blood to his head.
What are you doing?
It's working, it's working. Alright, alright. Alright, we have to get the ambulance. Move, I'm gonna wrap it up, Just put this in there. It's a plug.
I think I'm okay. Ron, do we get the bloody shots?
Yeah, I got him.
You got them.
Sir, I just don't think that the shots matter right now. I think you need to go to the hospital.
Suck my stump while you're at it. I think we're bloody lost, mate.
We're on a main street. There's like a street light right there and a street sign, and we're like in the middle of civilization and
Had a
stuff.
bloody enough of you, lad.
God, sir, oh my, please don't hit me with that. Oh my God, there's liquid, sir. I'm sorry, sir, please no.
God, made me break the. Your mom is a really good chef.
All right.